Assalam O Alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Noor Kids Academy. My name is Noor Ul Ain. Today is our first class of Adobe Illustrator and today we will learn selection tool. The version of Adobe Illustrator I am using is 2021. Here you can see two buttons, create new or open. If you already save a file, so click on the open button. If you want to create a new file, so click on the create new button. There are many ways to create a new file. First, click on create new button. Second, go to file, click on new. And third is shortcut key Control N. Okay, as you can see in your right hand side, there are some properties. Width, height, you can select it as your own wish. You can select millimeters, inches, centimeter, what you will be like, and you can select RGB and CMYK color. And after this, you can click on create button. Okay, here you can see a white box. This is your artboard. This is your artboard in white color. On your left hand side, this is your toolbar. This is your toolbar. On the right hand side, this is your property panel. On the top of side, this is your menu bar. On the bottom of menu bar, this is your property menu. Okay, today our topic is selection tool. Where is selection tool? As you can see in the toolbar, first tool is your selection tool. When you click on this, your selection tool is active. Okay, it has a shortcut key V. When you press V, your selection tool is active. Okay, selection tool is used to select your object, artwork, design or shape. But here is no artwork, no object, no shape on our artboard. So first create a shape on our artboard. So here is your rectangle tool. The shortcut key of rectangle tool is M. Okay. Click and drag to draw a rectangle. If you want to make a perfect square, see this is not a perfect square. The width and height are not same. If you want to create a perfect square, so make a square with the shift key. When you press shift, your square make perfectly. If you want to create your square proportionally and perfectly, so click Alt and Shift key to make a square perfectly and proportionally. Okay. So here I make a square. As you can see in the corners of your square, this is your anchor point. This is your anchor point. Okay. If you want to move from one place to another, so select your selection tool by clicking on the icon and click and drag to select, and also click on it and click drag. Your square is moved from one place to another place. You can also resize and rotate your shape with the help of selection tool like this. If you want to resize it within a proportion, so click Alt and Shift key. Click Alt and Shift key. Okay. Remember that first release your mouse button and then release your keyboard keys. Okay. So you can also rotate this like this. Selection tool is also make a copy of your object. How? Click Alt key to create a copy. Okay, here you can see your copy is generated. Okay, but you can see this is not aligned with this square. This is not aligned with this square. So if you want to make a copy with the alignment, so click Alt and Shift key. Alt and Shift key to make alignment. Okay, as you can see, the alignment of both square is perfect. If you want to take one more copy with the same spacing, if you are to copy again, so the spacing is not same. If you want to make a copy with the same space, so when you create a copy, after creating a copy, press Ctrl D. Ctrl D means transform again. It will do those work that you were do in the last time. Okay. You can also apply color in it by clicking on fill. You can also apply color on your shape. Here you can see this is your fill and this is your stroke. The white color is your fill, the black color is your stroke. Select this by click and drag. If you want to apply a fill color, so double click on the swatch. So here color picker is come. You will select any color that you will be like. Okay. You can also apply the stroke color. See, your stroke color is changed. Okay. If you want to move your artboard, so press space bar. So your hand tool is come and you can move it. You can pin it like this. If you want to zoom in, so press Alt key and scroll wheel up. It says zoom in. If you want to zoom out, so click Alt key and scroll wheel down. It is zoom out. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.